Hi guys, I am Arun Kumar. In this video, I am going to talk about third course on hyperness, that is Advanced Training Model. Overall, Femlogic Technologies offering 3 courses, Basic, Intermediate and Advanced Training Model. First 2 courses mainly focusing on component level meshing. Advanced Training Model focus on assembly level meshing. In this video, I am going to emphasize mostly on Advanced Training Model. I am going to cover content overview, project offerings and takeaway from this Advanced Training Model. Let's talk about Advanced Training Model. Duration of this training program is 80 hours, that is 2 months. So who can attend this training program? Engineering graduates and people who having 1 or 2 years gap after graduations and people who working in non-core field who want to switch out to R&D field, they can prefer this Advanced Training Model. For Advanced Model, overall content we are dividing 3 parts. First part is basic module content, second part is intermediate module content, third part is connections and tech preparations. Whoever not seen in the previous videos for basic and intermediate model, I will give you overview about what are the contents involved in this basic and intermediate model. Always this training program start with theory precepts such as strength of material and finite element methods. For part 1, for basic module content, we are dividing 5 major categories, starting with hypermesh basic panel and geometry creation, geometry cleanup and 2D meshing techniques and quality checkup for 2D meshing. For part 2, intermediate module content, we mainly focusing on 3D meshing techniques, starting with tetra meshing techniques and hexam meshing techniques and finally quality checkup for 3D mesh. These are the major contents involved in this basic and intermediate model. For third and final part of this training program, we will cover connections and tech preparations and pre-model checkups. In this connection topic, we will cover rigid connections such as RP2 and RP3, weld connections such as spot weld, arc weld and C weld, rivet connections and bolt connections, area connectors and adhesives. These are some of the topics we will cover in the connection topic. Next, we will cover tech preparations like property and material assignment, how to create the loading and boundary conditions, and how to create the contact interface for master and slave elements. These are some of the topics involved in these tech preparations. Final topic is pre-model checkup. Pre-model checkup such as duplicates, normal check, free HS, T-junction, and 1D model check, rigid check, and penetrations and intersection check for contacts. These are some of the topics involved in this pre-model check before solving the problem. This concludes what we about Advanced Training Model. First part we will cover basic training model 25 hours. Second part we will cover intermediate model content 25 hours. Final part will cover connections and tech preparations for 30 hours. This concludes overall 80 hours of this training program for Advanced Training Model. In this Advanced Training Model, we will cover overall 20 projects, 15 projects for compound level meshing and 5 projects for assembly level meshing and connections. In this compound level, we are dividing again 3 categories, 5 projects for sheet metal and 5 projects for plastics and 5 projects for solid meshing. Sheet metal components such as inner door, outer door, roof panel, floor panel and dash panel and grill. These are some of the components involved in these sheet metal projects, and plastic components such as glove box and fuel tank, plastic trims, door trims, front fascia, rear bumper, and these are some of the components involved in these plastic projects, and solid components such as crankshaft, canting rod, piston, differential, engine casing and alloy wheel and housing. These are some of the components involved in this 3D meshing component. Final category is going to be assembly level meshing and connections. In this, we will cover 3 projects for IC engine vehicle and 2 projects for electric vehicle projects. For IC engines, we will cover subsystems such as steering, lighting, braking system and BAW system, door trims and plastic trims. For interior and exterior subsystems, these are some of the projects involved in this assembly level project for IC engine. For electric vehicle assemblies such as cup motor, controller, battery power pack and half axle. These are some other subsystems we will consider for the electric vehicle projects. This concludes overview about 20 projects involved in this advanced training model. Next, what are the benefits and takeaway from this advanced training model? You will get one-on-one support, online review monitoring system is available, you can access 200 plus complex commentaries from our database, lifetime access on our study material, and free support on your final year projects, and industrial internship opportunities, lifetime industry connect and network opportunities, and all-time certifications. Finally, placement assistance. These are some of the benefits you will get from this training program. This concludes overview about advanced training model. For more information about other coursework, you can visit our website www.femlogic.in. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Keep learning with us. Stay safe and